How to add music to WhatsApp status? Here's how. First, open the WhatsApp and click on the updates at the bottom. Here, as you can see, there is no option for uploading music. However, there is another way to do it. So open the Facebook app. On the home screen, tap the Create Story at the top of the feed. Select Music from the Story option. Here, use the search bar to find the song you want and choose the song. Now select a background. Choose a photo or a video from a gallery or use the Facebook default background at the top. Furthermore, adjust the music clip. Facebook lets you select a specific part of the song. Drag the slider to choose your favorite part. Click on the music player icon to choose from different display style. Then hit the Done button. Move, resize and reposition the player on your story. Then hit Share. Likewise, view your story and click on the three dots at the top right corner. Select Save Video and the video will be saved to your gallery. Again, launch the WhatsApp and tap on the updates at the bottom. Then click on My Status to start a new status. Moreover, select the Save Facebook video from your phone gallery. WhatsApp lets you trim the video, so use the slider if needed. Additionally, add text, stickers or caption to personalize your status. Lastly, hit the send icon to share your status and confirm your action. Done! You have successfully added a music status on WhatsApp.